Hey, what's up, Chemical Guys family, and welcome back to this final part on the series of the BMW 328i. So you guys seen we did a full A to Z detail. I'm talking about we deep cleaned those wheels, we washed the car, we pulled it into the bay, we clay barred it, we polished it, we ceramic coated it, we deep cleaned the interior because that thing was super filthy. The engine bay got a cleaning, the headlights got a cleaning as well, and this thing looks amazing. And now it's time to give this BMW the final touches. So we're gonna go around the car, give it some love where it deserves. You know, these tires do need some dressing. There are some chrome trims that do need some work, the exhaust tips as well, and it's all those little details that's really gonna bring out the overall full outcome of this BMW. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a touch up, but before we do everything, we're gonna make sure to wash it. So we're gonna go ahead and wash it with our HydroSuds. Since it has been ceramic coated, it has a light layer of dust on there that we just wanna go ahead and clean up, and we're also gonna be boosting the shine and protection as we wash. So we've already shown you guys how to wash your car in this series. If you guys haven't seen that part, make sure to go check out part 2 of this series. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and deep clean it and kick it off with a cool montage. All right guys, we just finished washing the BMW. Now it's time to address these tips that I was telling you about. Now these tips, they're not looking their greatest. They're actually built up with carbon and oxidation. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that by first cleaning it with some speed wipe. So we just finished washing the car, but we're still gonna go ahead and wipe down the surface just to make sure that there's no dirt or dust sitting on there. We're just gonna give it a gentle little wipe down, pick up all this debris, all this grime that's sitting on there. Check it out. Nothing crazy, but you know, it doesn't hurt. Just make sure that the surface is clean anytime you do any kind of work on your vehicle. Good habit to have. And then we're also gonna be working with our light metal polish right here. Now, light metal polish is great because it's gonna remove oxidation and tarnish from metal surfaces. So we're gonna go ahead and use this. First things first, you wanna make sure to shake it up to mix in that formula. And then you wanna grab a microfiber applicator and apply a couple drops. In this case, since I'm only doing the exhaust tip, I'm just gonna use about 3-ish. And then we're gonna start blotting it out onto the surface. And the trick with this product is you're gonna wanna work it in. So it's not as simple, you know, just apply it on there, leave it on there. You wanna actually work it in. That way the polish starts removing all the stuff that's embedded on there and restoring the overall shine. All right guys, so just at that little section right now, I'm gonna grab my microfiber towel and just buff off the excess of the product. Now this can still do with a little work, but just right away from that little 3 drops that we used, check out that difference. It brings back the look. It doesn't have that nasty brown look anymore. And this is pretty much what we want right here. This looks great right here. And now we just have to do that to the rest of the tips. We're gonna do it on the tips as well right here, on the face of it and around it as well, just because, you know, a lot of the stuff you can actually see. So we're gonna go ahead and grab some more light metal polish, apply some more, and you guys can see all the oxidation that was on the tip right there itself on my microfiber applicator. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and flip it to this side, which I haven't used, apply 3 more drops, and then continue this process until we're all done. Check it out, you guys. The tip on the right side is nice and polished. It's nice and clean. It has that OEM metal look versus the left side over here, which is untouched. It's dirty, it's contaminated, it's oxidized, it has carbon buildup all over it, and it does not look good. So now that that's all done, all we have to do now is finish doing the next tip, and then we're gonna proceed to doing the rest of the chrome trim all around the BMW, and we'll be right back with you guys once we're done. we're back. Now that the chrome trim is done and out the way, now we can focus on the plastic and rubber trim around the vehicle. So we have things like the tires, which do need some love. We have these trims right here that we didn't necessarily touch up. As you guys can see, it's very dry, it's dull. This should look more of a dark, deep black look. Right now it has more of a faded, white, opaque kind of look. Don't want that, want to make it look nice and dark. So we have our Hydro Shield right here, which does an incredible job at restoring, and it also enhances your vinyl, rubber, and plastic trim with the protective properties of ceramic. So you can use it on exterior plastic trim, seals, and you can even use it on interior surfaces like your dashboard, door panels, center consoles, and much more. It's very easy to use. All you need is a microfiber applicator, your bottle of Hydro Shield, and then you want to spray about 2 sprays onto your microfiber applicator, and then you want to start working it onto the surface. So right here, I'll start working it in, and right away you guys will see that it brings out that nice deep dark look all over again. This product is designed to leave a new look finish. So, you know, it's not designed to make it look all oily or greasy or anything like that, and that's the beauty of it. I love this product just for that reason, just because it gives it that nice original factory look. But it also protects it with the durable protective properties of ceramic. So if you guys have your car parked outdoors where it's being exposed to the sun all day, having a ceramic protectant like this on your trim is gonna be crucial, ensuring that it's gonna stay looking good for as long as possible. All right, so we just finished doing the exterior trim. We did the mirrors. I mean, this Beamer doesn't really have too much trim to work with, but we did what we could on the trim that we could. Now it's time to coat these tires. Now these tires, we cleaned them on the first episode, we degreased them, made sure that they were properly cleaned, but now it's time to dress them and make sure that they're protected as well. So same product, Hydro Shield, grab your microfiber applicator, spray about 2 or 3 sprays. I'm gonna spray 3, and then you just wanna start working it in. And right away, it starts delivering that nice original look, brings back the depth of the black tires, makes it look nice and crisp. And remember, this is also protecting it with that durable protection of ceramic. So, you know, these tires are gonna be protected against the sun, and that's really what's gonna help prevent these tires from cracking, you know. So make sure that you have the best protection. Hydro Shield offers incredible protection. And one thing I also like about it is that it enhances incredible hydrophobic properties. So whenever we apply, or not apply, but spray water onto these tires, it's just gonna go ahead and bead, making it much easier for us to maintain, in the sense that the next time that we clean our wheels, you guys saw how easy it was for us to pro blow our ride. The same effect is gonna happen on the tires as well. So the water's just gonna bead on your tires, and you can just easily grab your Pro Blow or a microfiber towel, blow it off, wipe it off, get rid of that water with ease, and, you know, keep your tires looking great again. Alrighty guys, so now that our exterior trim is looking great, it's shining and it's protected, it's time to move on to the paint. Now as far as the paint, we don't necessarily have to do too much, just because we've already done all the work before. We clayed it, we polished it, we ceramic coated it, and I believe Nick also layered it with some wax and sealant. So this thing is well beyond protected. And now all you want to do is maintain that incredible protection and shine. And what better way to do that than with some HydroSpeed ceramic quick detailer. So Nick did apply that layer of HydroCharge as well as the sealant and the wax to the paint, so this thing is well beyond protected. And now we're just gonna maintain it with our HydroSpeed ceramic quick detailer. So this works out great to boost the protective properties of any protective coating, whether it be a ceramic, a wax, or a sealant. It's gonna work out great in all occasions. And what it does is it's gonna boost the shine and the protective properties. And it's very easy to use. All you have to do is simply spray a few sprays onto your panel, have a microfiber towel, and then you just gently want to wipe it down. And this is great because it's a quick detailer as well. So you can use this in between washes or right after a wash. Personally, I like using it after a wash, just kind of give it that extra oomph, that extra shine, and that layer of protection. But you can actually use it as well as in between washes. So let's say we wash the car today, come back tomorrow, we have a light layer of dust, spray some HydroSpeed on there, clean it up, and get your ride looking as good as new again. And it's very easy to use. Grab a secondary microfiber towel or just flip your microfiber towel. I like having two, one to dry and then one to wipe the product off. And check out that amazing shine. It's super easy to use, it's super fun, and you can also use it on your paint, you can use it on glass, on your wheels, and much more. Alright guys, and that's gonna wrap it up for this series on this BMW 328i. What do you guys think? This thing looks incredible. Did a full 360 from when it first came to what it looks like now. You guys let us know in the comment section below. If you guys enjoyed this series, make sure to give us a huge like and comment down below what other types of series that you guys would like to see us make. And if this is the first video that you're seeing in this series, make sure to check out the description below to check out the full playlist on this car.